Heading to the pool with the ladies. There they are. Mommy and Tiltil. Here to go swimming. I want to hot tub it. I miss the hot tub. Where are we gonna sit? Here? Oh, just want to take a chair? I have to learn to walk and move slowly so that I don't dizzy my followers.
Oh, poor daddy.
My adventurers. My aloha adventurers. Yes. All right, Tilly, here we go. You want me to take this in there? You want to use this? Yeah. Don't herky jerky it. No, you are eating. Eat that. You're not supposed to be in the pool with food. You're a bad kid. I'm gonna report you. I'm gonna tell on you. I'm gonna tell that man over there at the counter. He's gonna arrest you. You're going to jail, dude. No. You're going to pool jail. You're going to pool jail, bruh. Yeah, we're here in the pool at the Marriott Manila Rooftop. Let's see here. Pull this up, put it in the weirdo there. Weirdo. There's a weirdo there.
I did it.
We're gonna go.
It.
Look at this. Wow, look at these bees. It's fucking fail though because you're a midget. You can't really see the skyline from here. Infinity is nice. You can see it from the pool like in Singapore. It's a shame because it's a nice view. If they were to just rise this, pretty cool. Sunset going on there. What's up? It's open late. Come back tonight. It's dark. Did you finish eating? You wanna do your GoProing? Okay, hang on. We'll do a fresh clip for you. You gotta speak to prove to me you're done eating.
Yeah, I'm done eating.
Okay, I will let you start a fresh vid. Look at Mommy's gonna take a picture of us. And we're gonna film her. Film Mommy taking pictures of us. Pictures of filming of pictures.
Hi, Jill.
Tilly, I gotta tell her she can't shout in this kind of environment. Tilly, you can't shout in this environment. See, there's no kids here. It's not a family, like wild time pool, like here. Yeah, you gotta kind of respect it. Yeah, don't make them kick us out. They'll tell you to leave. You gotta kind of be mellow. Always size up your environment. This is a place of peace and quiet.